Yo! First order came in right away. This is a shop and deliver for alcohol. $12 going 5.5 miles. Only one item.
Are these $3.75?
Yeah.
I'm out.
Oh, can I just get this checked out?
I don't have any. Can you scan it?
Yes. Is there more over here? Because it was not over there. Oh, I appreciate that. Just the backside of your ID. And then just a scribble on that line for me. Huh. I guess sometimes it does pay off when you have to deliver alcohol to a shady motel when it's still dark out. Got an extra $5 out of that order. I'll take it. Thank you. And I just got my next order. This is going to be for Seize the Bagel. $16 going 7 miles. I got the order as I was heading in the opposite direction, so I'm kind of far away from the restaurant at the moment, but I think that gives it a better chance of it being ready by the time I get there.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. Next up, we've got a stacked Seize the Bagel. This is going to be $12 going just under 6 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
They just tried to give me a shop and deliver for alcohol that was way better than both of these orders put together. It was like $20 going 5 miles, 2 items. Like, of course I get that as soon as I grab this order. It couldn't have shown up on my phone like 5 minutes earlier so I could cancel these. Annoying, whatever. Next order just came in. We're going to Starbucks. $7 and some change going 3 miles.
Maybe I'll look it up.
Hello. There you are.
Thank you, sir.
I got this order as I was dropping that one off. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $10 going 6 miles, only one item. It looks like somebody forgot their deodorant today. That is what we're getting. This one down here.
Welcome.
So that's what that machine is. They sell Pokemon cards. That's cool. I'll have to check that out later on. Ooh, I was kind of hoping I didn't have to meet this person. Not because they're stinky, but I didn't grab them a bag. And now I gotta show up at their workplace to get a PIN number from them. I didn't think it through. That's on me. Hello. It's asking me for a PIN. Alright. Sorry about no bag. They didn't want to give me a bag.
No problem. Thank you.
Have a good one. Had to do that little exchange right in front of their coworkers. Why did that feel like a drug deal? Super sketchy. I apologize. I'm so sorry. It has been quite some time since the last order, but I finally got the next one. We've got a stacked Starbucks. This is $11 going 3 miles.
He never gets that.
There you are.
Thanks, bud.
Have a good one. Just got the next order. This is Chick-fil-A, $11 going 2.5 miles. As always, I'm right outside the restaurant, so probably gonna be a bit of a wait, but let's go ahead inside anyways.
And carry out from Molly.
Of course, it's upstairs. It's always upstairs. Going back to Chick-fil-A, this one's going to be $12 going 4 miles.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Free nuts, gimme. Shout outs to them. They actually had a pretty good layout when it came to snacks right there. And on that note, I think I'm gonna be calling it because I've got some more to be in about half an hour. So no time for another order. Current time is 11:29. Current total is 85. And I have one Uber tip yet to come in, so probably around 91, 92. Oh, and I got that one cash tip earlier, so that brings it up to like 96, 97. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.